Alright, this is a 2004 Acura TSX. Problem I was having is when you turn the car on, the temperature needle there stays on cold. So, go around here to the engine compartment. They have a sensor here, down here. So it's this guy right there, it's unplugged. And it's this guy, it's unplugged. And it plugs in right down under here, so it goes back in under there like that, like so, under there. So it goes in under there, right down under there, and the part looks like this. So I have to replace this part. What this does is send the signal from the engine up to the dashboard up there to tell you that the engine is hot or cold. And this was throwing a code, making my check engine light come on.